Hey guys, this is Andrew from WhiteTrashFPV. I want to talk to you all my newbie drone flyers today. This is something actually I didn't know about until a couple flights in, and I want my buddy, my buddy here, Blue FPV, is actually the one that introduced me to this. Is how to throttle limit. If you're new and you're playing with the stick too, you're trying to find your good throttle point, keep it hovering, and you can't quite figure that out, this is where you actually would do it. Is if you have Betaflight, which is real simple, easy, free program. It's under betaflight.com. You just go ahead and get to their GitHub, download, or their website should have it directly on there. But in order to do your throttle limiting, you actually want to go into the scary, what I like to refer to as the scary tab, the PID tuning. So now you're not going to touch anything in here. Don't worry about anything you guys are seeing here, especially on my screen, because I got to fix that. I don't know what's caused that. I am currently working with a drone that is that has problems, but I'm not talking about that today. Today I want you guys to go into the PID tuning. If you guys are on this video because you're wanting to figure this out, and you go to rate profiles, this is the screen you actually want to be at. You don't want to worry about any of this stuff right here. You want to look at the throttle limit and the throttle limit percent, and the throttle mid and the expo. These are about where I found my sweet spot with my drones. This is where I have some of my drones at. You always want to put your throttle limit to scale. And then for me, 75 is a good throttle limit percent. It's not too high, not too far, and I could hover just nicely, and I could actually, not take off like I'm flying to the moon. And then I got it to where I have just a nice, smooth little S curve going on here with it. And that's kind of what I was looking for, but of course you can change that. So like you could change it to 0.1, or you could go 100. So, and you can see how it kind of just made it a straight line. But if you actually were to do something like 0.9, kind of have this more aggressive S curve going on with your throttle. The whole thing is you kind of just want to keep it balanced, in my opinion. And I have found for me the sweet spot is at 0.550 for that. Just kind of keep it in the mid with the throttle limit or the throttle percentage just sitting perfect. Now this is not going to be for you necessarily. You could have it at 70. You could have it at 50. It's wherever you prefer to keep it, and you won't have flyaways as much or anything like that. You will actually be able to manage your throttle way simpler, in my opinion. And I once again want to relay this. Thank you, Blue FPV. Man, you are like a godsend to me right now. Thank you for training everything, or talking me through everything that you know so far that you see I'm doing wrong. And I gratefully love you, man. You're a godsend to me right now. But anyways, that's all I really have for this video today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Later.